do is start with the sweet ingredients. We'll start with our sugar plums.
Right. Sawyer ate them.
Sawyer, did you eat the sugar plums? I did.
I'm allergic. Achoo. I can't. Yeah.
Nothing to worry about, Sawyer. He's going on the naughty list for that. Now, everyone, we're going to use our what? Magic words, which are going to be sugar plum, yum, yum, yum. Now, you guys have to do some choreography, all right? Sugar plum, yum, yum, yum. Got it?
Good.
You can do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sugar plum, yum, yum, yum. Perfect. Hey. That is exactly what we were looking for now. Sugar plums. Now we have to smother the sugar plums with a special kind of milk, but we have to make the milk first. So you go stand right there. We're going to. Oh, okay. Can you handle a magic whisk? I think you can. Can you stand right here? Kirby, just make sure you don't point that at anybody directly. Okay, we're going to make big circles. Can you make a circle with that 3 times and everyone yells out milk and cookies? Oh, you're quite tall, aren't you? All right, we're going to change this milk into our special
so easily.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Milk and cookies. Milk and cookies. Milk and cookies. Perfect. I think we did. It is no longer pasteurized milk. It is now, that's right, evaporated milk.
Oh, because it went poop.
Now you two, the most important part of your jobs is to bow adoringly at your fans. Everyone give them a round of applause. Take it out. Very nice. Was that a dab at the same time? Go ahead and sit back down with your family. Perfect job. I might use you again someday. You never know if I need help in the North Pole. Now, we have the evaporated milk. Now we need sky milk. They're looking at me like they've never heard of sky milk before. You tell them.
It rhymes with Mo.
That's right. It's soft and it's white and it comes from the sky.
No.
Snow, that's right. Did you get the snow for me?
Brent, did you get the snow for
Yes.
us? Oh, good. Good.
Nice and white and fluffy snow.
It's right here. Snow.
You didn't refrigerate it, did you, Ren?
Oh, no.
Of course not.
Ren, dear, when working with snow in a recipe, it has to be softly falling, yes. It can't be too hard, like sleet. Or rain, too soft. Or like butter, too soft or melted. Okay, never mind any of that. It just needs to be just right, but we can make this work.
I'm really sorry, Mrs. C. I didn't know snow had food-grade properties we needed to adhere to.
Ren, you've ruined everything.
No, we can make this work. We just put our minds to it. You know what we could do? I don't know, I have to think about it. Let me think. Okay, no. Frosty, no. No. Okay, let me think. I got this. A little ad. I got it! All we need to do is the NP snow step.
The NP snow step?
North Pole.
That's right. In the North Pole, when the snow isn't falling, it's very rare when that happens. But the elves will help out. They run out, they do the NP snow step, and it starts to fall. That's it. You're going to learn it. Are you ready? Okay, snowflake arms, reindeer hooves, down the chimney, and mix it up. You got it? Hey, Big Maestro! You got it. All right.
I'm